West Indies begin their qualification push for the 2027 ICC 50-over World Cup on Sunday when they face England in the first of 3 matches. The opener takes place at the Sir Viv Richards Stadium in Antigua. More in this report.
The pioneers in limited overs cricket with back-to-back World Cup titles saw themselves on the outside looking in as Australia captured a record-extending 6th world title in the 50-over format this year. For the first time, the West Indies failed to qualify for the showpiece event, but Sunday's
positive vibe in the camp, I must say. I feel a different buzz, a very positive buzz around, and like I said, once we're doing the hard work off the field, things will happen on. I think that we have to let go of the past. It's history for a reason. We got to make sure we're creating our own history. So we have a lot of things to focus on going forward. But right now, it's just what's in front of us, and that's the series. We know that England is a very strong side, and we've got all the right players to do the job for us. So we're looking forward to it. I think the history just speaks for itself. Whenever we have an English series, whether it's home or away, we just have a different buzz. I'm not sure if it's something personal or what, but we just play our best.
The last series between the teams in the Caribbean was 2019, where they battled to a 2-all draw. The match goes off at 8:30 a.m. Jamaica time.